Right, hello. This is a video that is going to be quite different. I've got a new setup here, and also I am making this video rather for people who probably don't know that much about junk journals. My friends from my online community, and we all share an interest in a particular actor, and it's because of this actor that I made this particular junk journal, which is going to be a present for somebody. But anyway, I thought I'd share it here nonetheless. It comes with a shout out to two people, two fellow junk journal enthusiasts. One of them is called Treasure Books, or I think her name is actually Natasha, who was very kind and encouraged me to upload something again. And she's actually the creative mind behind these book plates. She showed us how to make these book plates on her channel, and I thought they were really pretty, so I made one for this junk journal. Anyway, and the other junk journal lady is, I think, well, her name is Tina, but on YouTube she goes under Shabby Dabby Doodah, I think. And she makes these lovely digital kits. And when I discovered her Gypsy Rose kit, I immediately knew that I had the final piece of the puzzle that I needed to make this journal, because there were lots of yellow roses in it. So now my fandom friends, they will know what a yellow rose means. And well, the clue is also here on the book plate, Thornton. So this junk journal is really for Mr. Thornton. So let's have a look. I closed it with just a bit of fabric here. Could actually be shortened. Let's look into this. It's actually pretty fat, as you can see, and it kind of unfortunately springs open like that, so it needs the closure. But well, let's have a look. So I was also inspired by Thornton's chocolates, which are a popular brand of chocolates here in the UK and in Ireland, where I live. So I cut that out and used that here. And there's, you can see North and South here, the Elizabeth Gaskell book with the fly leaf and the cover. And here we go. There we have him. Attraction? Yes. Made another little thing there. So let's go through this. So a junk journal consists of lots of different papers. Here's some music paper, some coffee dyed paper, and then it has fun little things like this kind of thing that you can completely unwrap and you can write in. It's a journaling space, extra journaling space. And then there's pages of nice flowery prints, some stamping. Occasionally I put in a little tab. Here is a lovely lady. Well, I suppose it could be Margaret. And this is actually, you can take it off. Oops. And it's an envelope. There he is again. Mr. Thornton again, could be taken off. This is a tuck spot. Put something there. Yellow rose. This is a piece that comes from Tina's Shabby Dabby Doodah kit. I made a little tag that has extra journaling space on the back. It's a white rose here from one of my botanics books. This paper design also came from the Gypsy Rose kit, and I made it into this. Yeah, I'll put it in later. Here we have North and South, or the first chapter, I think. Tiny little notebook. There's Mr. Thornton again. It's a little envelope that I've fixed with that little clip. And here we have an old postcard. This also comes from Shabby Daddy Doodah. Two more with a little collage. This doesn't come from her kit, but I just did a little bit of a collage. Plenty of space to write on or to just admire a lovely Mr. Thornton. And here he is again on a stamp. Here's a little envelope. Suppose this could possibly go into the envelope. It does fit. Lovely. Here he is again, a little collage. And here comes the second signature. More roses, more journaling space. Perfect he is on an envelope here again. There's a tuck spot like this, so you can put something behind. Here's a little paper bag. Tea. All North and South lovers will know what the tea refers to. And another yellow rose. Here's Mr. Thornton, passionate in his sensibility. Oops, there's something sticking here. North and South again. A tag with some journaling space on the back to fit in here, and a little postcard. This also came from Shabby Daddy Doodah. I feel silly saying that name. This is actually a picture of Elizabeth Gaskell. A little crown, I suppose, because Mr. Thornton is the king of our hearts. There's North and South again, just a bit of paper that you can write on. And here's another journaling card. He could be majestic indeed. Oops, I guess I need to do something with the back of this. I'll leave this out. Here's a little flap. More dog roses, which have significance for the book. And we've reached the end. This is the final bit where actually it's meant to close like this. We've got Mr. Thornton looking his usual, well, he looks slightly happier there. Anyway, you open it up and there's this lovely silhouette of him, and it's a sort of faux glassine bag which I made, and I've slipped another tag into it, and this is actually a letter in the hand of Elizabeth Gaskell. And there are extra spaces, tuck spots here. And there's one final one here, into which I have put a drawing of Elizabeth Gaskell, which fits right in there. Right, so that's my little north and south, or rather Mr. Thornton inspired shabby chic vintage junk journal. And this is going to go to one of my fandom friends who has supported me for a long time and really deserves a special present from me. So, well, hope you like it, and thank you for watching here. Bye bye.